I'm just about to take these rods out. Hopefully they dry. Yeah, they dry. They're dry. I still don't know what I'm wearing, but you know, I think I do my makeup and stuff first, cause then that'll, you know, really give me a feel on how, you know, the outfit look. Cause you can wear something plain as long as your hair and your makeup eat, baby. So that's what I'm hoping to give tonight. Smile, love it, baby. Oh, I rolled this one the wrong way. I hate that. It should be good though. Oh, my hair tangled up in here. Oh, okay, there you go. It did. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. This weather is like draining me. Like it's only 6:40 and it is pitch black outside. The rain. The rain. The rain. Okay. So I'm gonna plug these out a little bit. Let's just go to the side like that. Shoot, I'm thinking, should I even plug it out at this point? They're probably falling their own. Love my life. And I didn't put a lip on yet because I don't know what I'm wearing. I always love me a nice red lip, but I don't know what I'm wearing. So look at this. Oh, these curls eat. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse in it. Should I put mousse in it? Or should I just spray it? Let me spray it a little bit. So it's like less frizzy, but baby, this look good. It's giving big hair, I don't care. And I'm pretty ready early because the longest part is the hair and the makeup. And if I could finagle me a decent outfit, if I could finagle me a decent outfit, I'm good. I love this edge control. It's the Easy Edges Black Castor Oil Flaxseed Oil Gel. And it's only $6.49, y'all. This is so good. You don't need a lot. That's the thing. You don't need a lot. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Now, I'm not no baby hair connoisseur. I should let my mother do this part, but and I bought another one of these edge brushes. I don't know where it is. I'm just gonna swoop that up a little bit like that. So we don't want too much, but we want the edges to be, you know, tamed. Yeah, that look cute like that. And then maybe a little sideburn action. Once I got that iPad so loud, oh my gosh. Like that. So, you know. Oh, let me get my little swoop right here. Swoop, there it is. Ooh, okay, not me pulling the baby hair, child. Okay. See, I still got some more left on my hand. You don't need a lot of that. Alright. Now I gotta figure out what I'm wearing. First of all, let me clean my mess up. Cause that's number one. Switch it up. This is my favorite oil sheen, the Olive Oil by ORS. I just love the way it smells. You know what I mean? I just love the way it smells. Give me that little shine. Now it's time to find something over here. Okay. Let me just open my junky closet. Let's just get straight to it. It's junky. Anyway. This is what it's giving. Okay, so I have this top that I think is really, really cute. But the only problem is it's cropped. And I'm not really ready for that right now, I don't think. So I'm trying to see if I have some high-waisted jeans in here. Or maybe some shorts. But I don't really want to wear shorts because I don't know. I don't want to wear shorts. I do have these shorts from Old Navy. I don't want to wear these. It just, I don't know. I don't want to wear a crop top and some shorts. It just gives hoochie. Long pants. Ooh. I have these long pants from Shein that I got. And it has like the little creases in them. Hopefully y'all can see them. I don't know. It has like creases in, no, not creases, pleats, I guess. They have like pleats in them. But like, if I wear these long pants like this, then I want to wear like a sexy top. I don't want to wear like, you know, it gotta be balanced. I threw away a lot of stuff and I have yet to replace it. And the thing about it is, I already knew that this day was coming. I knew this day was coming. I could wear this dress, and I forgot where I got this from. I think I got it from Shein. I could wear this dress, but I need shapewear with this. Like, I need to shapewear with this because it's giving, yeah. Now, this was also an option. This shirt with these shorts, but I ain't gonna lie to you. These shorts can give stank. Like, funky, like, yeah, it's that material that be all up in your butt. I'm not sure if I want to give that. So I can wear this top, right? Okay. These pants are just like too dressy for me for like tonight. I just don't, yeah. These white jeans that I haven't, oh, is there something on here? Oh, it's something on here. I mean, I could probably wear these white jeans with this pink top, or either this. I don't know. I am stressed out. I am so stressed. Why is it like it's always so dark? I don't know what that's about. Anyway, I didn't get no footage from the party. But anyway, my hair looks good. Girl, look at these curls. Like, I ain't do nothing but wear a pink shirt with some jeans and some pink heels. That was it. Damn, I ain't even get no full body pictures. That's crazy. I might take some tomorrow. Anyway. Yeah. So yeah. I'm back home. I'm about to eat the rest of my food that I had from the party. And then get in the shower. I gotta wash my face. The humidity, not the humidity. The, what is it called? Not the humidity. The humidity from the rain and stuff made this hair poof up, and I like the way it made it poof up. I really do. And it looks, I love the fact that it looks jet black, and it's not jet black. It's like a really, really, really dark brown, and it matches my hair. Check out that blend. Check out that blend. Check out that blend. Check it out. Yeah, but anyway. Yeah. Hey, it's been a minute. First of all, I would like to say that y'all real close up on me, but I mean, it is what it is at this point. I had lost my camera. I did not know where my camera was. Come to find out, I left it at the office. I was tearing my house up looking for that daggone camera, which was nowhere in sight. It was nowhere to be found, child. So now I got y'all back. How y'all doing? I might look a little crazy, but I'm gonna look better later. Don't worry about it. Today, and it's shaking. Why is it? It's never shook before. What is going on here? So today is Monday, September 18th. Today is my boo birthday, and you hear me talking with a list just because I had my retainers in. But we have plans today. We're going to DC. We got to be in DC by at least by 4:30, so we can get on the yacht at 5. And then, so I booked this yacht, the private yacht, with the chef for 2 hours. So yeah, that should be nice. This weekend to try to find him a gift. That was a major fail. I drove, hopefully y'all can hear me. I drove all the way to Tyson's Corner, which is in Virginia, and I live in Baltimore, so yeah, it's like an hour and a half ride, which it wound up being longer than that for real because of the traffic. Oh my god, and I locked my phone. I just locked my phone. Hopefully they still give me the directions. What do you get somebody who has everything? What do you get them? I don't know. So I went in every store. I went to the mall and the Galleria. Every store, they didn't have anything. Nothing that I think he would have wanted or he would have liked. So it was raining earlier, but I mean, I know it's gonna be a nice day. They already said it's gonna be a nice day. The sun is already out, coming out. It just keep peeking. But yeah, it's gonna be 77 degrees today. It's just gonna be a beautiful day. But that's gonna be kind of chilly on the yacht. But I'm prepared. I'm gonna wear long sleeves. And the outfit that I got is girl, where am I going? Because at this point, I'm just driving. Let me put this in the GPS, because where I'm going. Show out y'all what I was wearing. I was rushing. Let me show y'all what I wore.
That would kind of look like pajamas.
Kind of like pajamas.
To be honest.
To be honest. Okay. They comfortable like pajamas. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see me. But I got on this two-piece set from Fashion Nova. It's like this shimmery. I don't know what kind of material this is. Y'all see gold shimmery material. I really like the pattern of it. So two pieces. So yeah, so this was supposed to button up, but yeah, it wasn't given. So I just got a black tank top to go with it. And these are the pants. These are the wide leg pants. See, that's why I didn't want to get. Ooh, that's why I didn't want to get a extra large, because I knew the pants was gonna be like ridiculously big, because these are a large, and look how I had to pull them like all the way up. Pull them. Okay, I had to turn the light up. I had to pull them all the way up because they're so long, and like they're still long. They're still like dragging, and I got them up here like the clumps. So yeah, that's what I wore, and look what came. This is the shirt that I was supposed to wear underneath of this. That would have went perfectly. See, ooh, it would have went perfectly. See, or maybe not perfectly, but it'll look nice with it. Anyway, I'm gonna lay back out shortly. Well, we're about to lay back out shortly, so I'm tired though. Today is Monday. It's not giving Monday, it's giving Sunday. The yacht was nice. It was fun. Food was cool. It wasn't enough if you ask me. It should have been some more food. I was hungry. I'm still hungry. I could still go for something to eat right about now. But, I mean, I don't know. But yeah. I'm tired.